Alright, what's happening, everybody? It is Making Money with Malcolm, and it's me. I'm Malcolm. So today I have some voiceovers to be doing. I ain't done this in a while. I haven't done this on the channel in a while. I was waiting till I got back to be more like consistent with the voiceovers so that I could put out voiceover content. I took a break for a while, caught the little, you know what I mean, Bovid, Movid, you know, Bitine. I don't want to say it because maybe these videos be getting flagged. I noticed that on YouTube. Caught that, ended up in the hospital, all type of stuff that's irrelevant to the channel right now. But I am back and I've been doing voiceovers consistently, and I would like to start giving y'all some content to show y'all what it's like being just a voiceover artist who started with no voiceover experience whatsoever, started doing voiceovers right from the crib, right from inside my house, you know what I'm saying? And getting jobs through different platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and things like that, and actually making you know, some side income, some side money. I haven't turned it into a full-time thing yet, and I would like to, but right now it makes, I would say it makes a decent amount of side money. So let's get into it. We got a voiceover right now that's this one is what they would call a pickup from a previous voiceover. So I did something for somebody before. Oh shit, excuse me. So I did something for somebody before. I felt like I was about to sneeze. And they wanted a couple of things added into it. They kept the other voiceovers, so they paid me for just a pickup to add on to it. So here we go. I'm just gonna record these right now so y'all can see the process. And I'm gonna do full, you know, full unedited. We just gonna get into it and get right to it. Look, so these ones is pretty easy. So these is just like, they want me to do a little extra stuff in there where it's like, so, okay. They want like little stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that right now. So, okay. Okay. But that's what's happening. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. No. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So, from Duval County, Jacksonville, Florida, Moncrief Road, I'm glad you could come out tonight. I'm glad you could come out tonight. I'm glad you could come out tonight. All right, so we're going to kill it right there. I did a bunch of little stuff right there. Then I'm going to edit it real fast. And after I'm done editing it, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all, let me back it. Let me see something. Let me show y'all real quick what the screen look like. So there goes how the audio look like. I just picked up the whole camera. I don't know if y'all can see what's going on. But that's what, yeah, y'all see it now. I probably should have this view in the first place. So I'm gonna edit it real quick. I'll let it roll. Here, let me edit it. I'm gonna put my headphones on. I actually recorded without the headphones on because I don't need to. I only recorded it because I hear myself a lot better to what I'm doing without the headphones. And my editing process, is pretty simple. My editing process is simple. I don't really do nothing too crazy. I do a quick little muting, you know, the spaces in between, throw a little amplification, a little normalization type shit on there, and I keep it pushing. I don't do nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, you feel me? You figure deal me? I ain't going too crazy. I ain't doing nothing too. I ain't doing too much. I ain't doing too much. But I also ain't doing too little, you feel me? Yay! Hell nah. Hell nah. Okay. Hell nah. Okay. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. Okay. I like how these came out. I ain't gonna bullshit. I like how my shit came out. I'll let y'all hear it in a second. All right, that's a done deal on that one. That's the pickup lines. Bang. All right, so I'll let y'all hear what it sound like now. Let me move the speaker over a little bit so the camera can catch it. Nah. All right, let's see what we got. So, okay. But, that's what's happening. That's what's happening. No. So many different ways you can say no. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes. Nah. Hell nah. Jack from Duval County, Jacksonville, Florida, Moncrief Road. Yep, that's good. It's on Pinoy. I done it's on Pinoy. I feel it's on Pinoy. That's it's on point. It's on point. On point. I said I did this shit on point. And now I gotta upload to the customer or to the client. Upload to the client. But there you go. Me uploading it on Fiverr. Pew! I don't know, it's not really shit to show you. But yeah, so there it is. That's the upload. We're gonna send it on through. Bang them, and then we hope for the 5-star review through. You feel me? Because when you get the 5-star review through, you get more colluters, which is more clients. If you didn't know that, you know what I mean? I just made that up. So it's some new shit that's going on. But send it on for the review through. We good to go, and I'll come back. Do some more of these things. That was just a quick video so I can just get y'all some content pumping out and I can start getting back with this thing. But I got more voiceover tips, tricks, tools of the trade. I really been putting work in, man. I took classes on this voiceover stuff. I done did all type of stuff, man, and I got that coming up for y'all. But I wanted to show more of these videos where I just show the whole process of what I do, how it sounds, and how everything goes. You know what I'm saying? So I'll see y'all in the next video. But look, appreciate y'all tuning in to Making Money with Malcolm. Once again, I am Malcolm. In case y'all forgot that you watching my channel, and said my name down there at the bottom. Saying up to the bottom. The bottom is me, Making Money with Malcolm, and I'm Malcolm, and I'm out of here because I'm gonna keep on rambling. Bang 'em!
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. The fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying.